Let's take a look at this massage gun and see what it is all about. Comes in this nice handy dandy case. USB-C charging cable, trigger point therapy guide, user's manual. We have this adapter here for the massage gun. It has kind of a soft foam ball feel to it, almost rubbery like, and it's got like a microfiber type texture to it. We have this adapter here. This is a hard adapter. Can't imagine what this adapter would be for. I don't know, but we got that adapter there for the massage gun. Another weirdly shaped adapter for the massage gun. We'll just call it that. This one here, another interestingly shaped adapter for the massage gun. Interesting choice for this shape. This adapter as well. And we have the actual massage gun itself, which is quite large. It's a little bit bigger than I was expecting it to be. Has some buttons on the back, plus and minus. Let's see if this thing works right out of the box. Oh, we have an on-off switch on the bottom, so I'm guessing we probably need to turn it on. Okay, now it's on. Oh, we have a display on the back. That's cool. Let's see what the display is about. So we have some levels on the back. So it looks like it maxes out at 30. Now, as far as that other number on the other side that says 40, I'm not quite sure how to adjust that yet. Let's see if we can figure that out. Oh, you know what? I suspect that 40 might be the battery level. That might be the current battery level. So I'm going to charge this thing up for a minute or two and see if that changes. If it changes, then we'll know for sure that that's the battery level. All right, so let's try out the adapters. Let's see how the adapters fit. It's more like it's just a friction fit. So push it in as far as you can, and that's it. To pull it out, you just simply yank it out as hard as you can. Let's turn it on. Okay, that's doing something. That's actually beating my arm. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really vibrating pretty hard. It's doing something there. Definitely works. It's definitely doing some massaging type things. You can actually see it moving in and out on the video. It's moving a lot faster than what the video shows. Believe me, it's not going in and out as slow as it looks like it's going on the video. Definitely a lot faster than that. And that's only at level 3. Well, it doesn't matter what level I show you guys because you won't be able to tell how fast it's going. It's actually going pretty fast. So one thing of note, when you're charging this device, use the charging cable, the USB-C to USB-A or USB-A to USB-C cable that came with the device, that came with the massager, because it won't charge using just your standard USB-C cable. It's possible that it will charge with another cable, but it won't charge with the cable that I tried. So use the cable that came with the massage gun and it will charge just fine. That's what this number 40 is for. That 40 indicates the charge level. Right now we are at 40%. Most devices that have a lithium battery inside does not come with a full charge. So if you want to get to 100%, you gotta charge it up before you use it. But other than that, it works fantastic. The adapters go in pretty easy. Well, they're kind of stiff to pull in and out, but it's not difficult, not too difficult anyway. It is definitely doable. So I hope this review was helpful. I hope it helped you make a decision about purchasing this massage gun, which works fantastic, I should add. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. And yeah, well, I'll catch you guys on the next review. Peace.